All right. Hey guys, it's me, Bbwguyworld guy again. Just here with Chainsaw Man Volume 10. Uh, this may be the best comic book of all time. If it's not the best comic book of all time, it is one of the best. Great storytelling, great pacing, great action. Just look at that. That's amazing. Just this top scene with this hand, the pacing here, the door opening, then the hand appearing, taking away the chainsaw demon. Uh, just nonsense here, just pure nonsense. Pure action across the pages. That's what you get when you open up a Chainsaw Man volume. It's going to be action, it's going to be nonsense in equal measure. Along with some great humor, great character moments, great humanizing moments for all the characters. Um, I'm excited to see where this goes. I'm excited to see all this animated. This is, of course, more than likely going to be in season 2 of the anime, but I'm looking forward to it regardless. This is going to be amazing. A lot of great sequences here in this comic. I don't want to spoil anything, so I'll jump here. Just looking at this top panel, how clean the slice is. It's really great to look at. Fujimoto often is criticized for his art, but I believe it's fantastic. His storytelling is unparalleled. That is really where he rises beyond anyone else. Just the fundamentals of crafting captivating images and creating pages that easily flow into each other. They flow panel to panel, and they also have great rhythm from page to page. He's a master of the page turn. You can see that here. There's a lot of great information here, non-verbally, without reading a single thing. You see a lot of great detail. Here, on top of this roof, is some great detail. The rest of this background, also great detail. People try to say manga artists do not draw backgrounds, but hey, Boichi shows you. Mall Man, another great book. Fujimoto shows you here in Chainsaw Man. Just great storytelling here. Amazing stuff. Anyway, I just wanted y'all to know Chainsaw Man is the best comic book of all time. If you disagree, write me a little comment. I'm not wrong. Chainsaw Man is the best book of all time, and I can prove it. If you guys want me to, I'll make some more videos doing just that. Let me know in the comments. Alrighty. You guys go read Chainsaw Man. Have a great day. Go live a great life. Go be blessed. Y'all have a blessed day.